How to download and install OKX App Wallet. In order for you to download and install OKX App Wallet, from here what you have to do is simply make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. And after you make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet, this is the kind of interface. So depending upon whether you're using iPhone or Android, simply open up your Play Store and then simply type in OKX, buy Bitcoin, BTC and crypto. Then once you've done that, simply tap on the open option there. And if you have not downloaded, you'll find the install button. On the App Store as well, you'll find the get button. So it's pretty much the same process. It is officially available by the official developer OKX themselves. So this way you'll be able to download and install the OKX App Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.